luxury, elegance, and the spirit of adventure. These three words perfectly define the upcoming 2026 Bentley Motorhome. A name that has long stood for unmatched craftsmanship in the automotive world, Bentley is now stepping into the motorhome segment with something truly extraordinary. Welcome to a new era of luxury travel. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is not just a camper, it's a palace on wheels. Designed for those who seek opulence even while exploring the outdoors, this motorhome combines high-end automotive engineering with ultra-luxurious home comfort. From its iconic front grille to its streamlined silhouette, every inch screams premium. Under the hood, the Bentley Motorhome is expected to feature a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a smooth, yet commanding performance on highways and rough terrains alike. Bentley's advanced suspension system will ensure a ride so comfortable you'll barely feel the road beneath you. Whether you're cruising down the coast or climbing mountain roads, this machine is built for the ultimate driving experience. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. Bentley has poured its heart into designing a living space that redefines luxury on the move. Rich wood paneling, handcrafted leather upholstery, ambient LED lighting, and state-of-the-art technology. Everything has been curated to create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The cabin is insulated to perfection, offering peace and quiet. No matter where you're parked, the motorhome includes a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, an entertainment lounge with a 4K smart TV, a full kitchen fitted with Miele appliances, and a spa-style bathroom with rainfall shower and heated floors. Every detail is designed to offer a 5-star hotel experience on wheels. There's even a retractable outdoor deck for those sunset evenings and morning coffees with a view. Connectivity won't be a problem either. With built-in satellite internet, Bluetooth-controlled features, and a fully digital control system, everything is just a touch away. From adjusting the room temperature to controlling the lighting or music, it's all accessible through your smartphone or the built-in touchscreen panel. What sets the 2026 Bentley Motorhome apart is not just luxury, but customization. Buyers can personalize every element, from the flooring and wall textures to seat materials and exterior color schemes. Bentley wants to make sure each unit reflects the owner's personality and taste. And of course, Bentley's signature attention to detail is evident throughout. From the soft close drawers to the engraved Bentley logo on the steering wheel, every part of the motorhome radiates sophistication. With the world shifting towards remote lifestyles and luxury travel becoming more personalized, Bentley's timing couldn't be better. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome offers an escape not just in location, but in style, turning every journey into an unforgettable experience. For those who desire nothing but the best, even when on the road, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement, a bold, beautiful step into a future where travel meets ultimate luxury.